These are some of the angles we've used in our office. We have what's called the cart monitor view. This is a GoPro that sits on top of the monitor on the doctor's cart, and it gives a pretty good view of ergonomics. Then there's a GoPro that sits flat on the cart desktop, and it gives a little bit different angle view as well. And that view is sometimes helpful in correcting mistakes that you're making. There's a behind and above the doctor view that we have on the other monitor that we use for surgery. And this also is a very useful view for some things, especially positioning of the cart and uh, the posture of the assistant. We have a GoPro on top of the assistant's monitor, and that also gives a very good view. All these views are helpful when evaluating your ergonomic efficiency and in areas where you can make improvement. And we have one other view that's above the assistant but behind the assistant. So that's the fourth GoPro camera. And that also gives a very good view because you get a sense of the posture of both doctor and assistant. There you can see the other camera on the assistant's monitor there. If you look above the assistant's monitor, you can see how we mount that on an articulated arm right above. And then the other camera is just sitting on a shelf. And it's also useful having the microscope view at the same time, and you can kind of tie these together and sync them up with what you're actually doing through the microscope. So that's helpful. So when you look at your views, think about which you want to show and just position GoPro cameras there.